Hi, this is Craig with Performance Transmissions. Today I want to do a little rundown on our Tru Shift system. This is a kit we engineer for the 700R4 and 204R transmissions. This allows you to get your TV cable pressure set properly regardless of what type of aftermarket carburetor that you're using. First I'll go over the three main components of the Tru Shift system. We have the throttle valve cable, the rear carburetor base bracket, and the throttle arm bracket. The relationship of these brackets to one another and how the cable is placed are the critical components of this system. Each throttle body or carburetor is going to have a slightly different setup based on the geometry of that particular unit. Once you have all of the components installed on your carburetor throttle body, setting up the Tru Shift system is actually quite simple. Once the TV cable is connected here, we just take the throttle body or carburetor and we bring it to full throttle. And you'll notice that the end of the cable ratchets itself out and stops where it's needed. Now that you have the cable set to the proper distance for the throttle body or carburetor that you're working with, you can see that when the throttle is going through its range, the cable is being pulled in a curve based on the geometry of this arm. That's what gives the system the proper amount of cable pull to apply the correct amount of pressure in your transmission as you're driving down the road. One last part of this that I want to go over real quick is we get a lot of questions about what happens if I have this set up and I don't think it's correct, or I've had to change something and rebolt the parts back on. How do I reset the system? The quickest and easiest way to do this is, if you have to redo the system, is to press your finger against this little D-shaped button here, press in, and then push the cable back towards the firewall of the car. Once it's there, the cable is reset, and then we can go to full throttle once more, and then you're set again and ready to drive. So as you can see, setting up a Tru Shift system is actually quite simple. Whether you've got a 204R, 700R4 transmission, and you're running an aftermarket carburetor or throttle body injection, likely we've got a solution for you. We cover all the popular Holley, Edelbrock, Demon, Quick Fuel carburetors, the Phytech fuel injection, the MSD atomic injection, and a lot of the Holley and Edelbrock injection systems as well. So if you're unsure about an application, don't hesitate to give us a call and we'll help you through it.